Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, we have Ethereum working its way, trying to go back to that $1,300 price, which is very key. We also have Ethereum that is still hanging out above that 20-day moving average, and it's getting ready to start making that attempt to break through that 50-day moving average, which, of course, the 50-day moving average is coming down a little bit lower, which is fine as time does go on here. So hopefully we'll start to eventually pump through that, and then that would be our best chance of starting to see a recovery from this whole FTX fiasco that had happened, the FTX fallout, which there's still no certainty that we're even done with that. There could be a little bit more to come, but so far, since things have been trending upwards, there could be that possibility that we are now moving in the direction that we need to be. And if we're moving away from this trend line, from this falling wedge pattern that we had been in since Ethereum had reached its all-time high back in November of 2021, and then we had come down within these 5 waves. Then from that, seeing how that wave 5 had completed back in the middle of June at a price of $880 at the 52-week low, and then we went up within this wave 1 and completed this wave 1 at a price that was just above $2,000, and then we had come down within this wave 2. I'm thinking that within this wave 2 that we've come down, if that is in fact complete, and we've completed that within the wave 5 from the FTX fallout, then we're within a wave 3 now as a possibility. And this wave 3 has a whole lot of potential. And that potential is that there could be that possibility that this wave 3 could start to retrace a lot from where we were at previously. Of course, it has a lot to really do here because Ethereum's come down a lot over the year. But if we were to see this wave 3 take the price of Ethereum up somewhere between the price range of, say, $3,000 or even more, if it was to retrace where it was back in the completion of the wave 4 that it had when it was coming down to the downside, which was at the start of the second quarter of 2022, where Ethereum's price at that time was closer to $3,600. So there could be a possibility that within this wave 3, we could see that retracement and see Ethereum go somewhere between that $3,000 and $3,600 price, or even more than that, as a possibility, as I think this wave 3 has a whole lot of potential. But of course, time is going to tell. And this wave 3 more than likely is going to be taking a long time to actually see complete, especially if you look at the fact that the wave 1 had started in the middle of June, and this wave 2 had gone from the middle of August all the way into basically the month of November. So seeing the fact that the wave 2 had taken so long to complete, even if it has completed, we're still not even sure about that. But if it has, then this wave 3 could take a long time to see any sort of completion. It probably won't be within the first quarter of 2023. It could be in the second quarter of 2023. But who knows? But I think in the long term, of course, things within the crypto market are bound to get better at some point in time. It's just all about getting trust back into the community. Now, here in the short term, what do I expect? Well, here in the short term, I expect the price of Ethereum to work its way up here, as long as we do get some sort of momentum here, to work its way up and hopefully get somewhere within a range of a price that could be somewhere between, say, $1,500 or more. It would be nice to see a nice little retracement from where we're at just before the whole FTX fallout had happened. If we can retrace from where we're at within that, then that would just be that certainty that we need, that we're within a wave 3, and we're starting to now make gains with Ethereum. And if we can see it go between that $1,500 and say $1,700 price within these next couple of weeks, I know that's a bit extreme, but hey, there's a possibility that we could be seeing that, see a nice Christmas rally, a nice signing rally with crypto. That would be amazing to see. And if that's the case, then maybe we'll see some more of this momentum come in. Now, since we do have our moving averages that have come down a lot, you can see that 200-day moving average. We haven't been above that 200-day moving average in a very long time. So if we do get above that 200-day moving average, which is right within our box, so it's actually setting us up to right where we're at within the whole FTX fallout. So if we were to work our way above that, then we'll probably start to see some very large price movements with Ethereum, if such a thing was to be able to happen. And that's where we start to create that distance with Ethereum in the other direction, which we really want to see. Since we've come down in this direction, it would be nice to start going up in this direction and just change the pattern around. Of course, things go from bearish to bullish, which is what I would absolutely love to see, so would everybody else. But it's just all about, is that wave 2 complete? And hopefully there's not going to be anything lower than that. And Ethereum is going to start to see some of this momentum. Who would have thought that we would be seeing crypto like this right now, where where we've seen the price of Ethereum can just come down so much in the year 2022. It's just been wild to see such a thing happen. But cross your fingers that 2023 is going to be a better year. So anyways, that's the update right now. I'm hopeful that we're going to start seeing Ethereum start smash through these different moving averages, start to retrace what it was at within this falling wedge pattern, and hopefully going somewhere between that $1,500 and $1,700 price here. Hopefully within these next couple weeks. That would be absolutely amazing to see. Oh, one more detail too worth mentioning is that over these last 7 days, we have seen Ethereum up nearly 5%. So it is moving enough to start getting some hope here that we're going to continue to see this type of momentum hopefully continue. So anyways, that's the update right now with Ethereum. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day and many other altcoins as well. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next one.